Yes, guess what? Today we're gonna do the oil change for the 2020 Club. Here's something we need to be careful with. Firstly, jack up your vehicle, and I prefer to use a ramp instead because it's safer. Then we need to check what kind of engine oil this vehicle using. Most of them can find on the oil cap. Then I put the dipstick up and unscrew the oil cap so the engine oil can drain easier. See, the next step is find the drain plug, which is over here, and find the oil filter location, which is down here. And then we find the, say, 4.8, so we find the right size drain plug for your drain plug, and then unscrew it. Also set up the container, get ready for the oil. So now is this bitch, this is oil filter. We need to unscrew that. So usually they're supposed to be able to unscrew by hand, so do not make it too tight because it can may damage this part. But well, let's do it. Let's unscrew this. Here is before we put the filter on, always lubricate the rim before you put it on there. Some people just dump some engine oil there, that works too. Oh. Okay, we get down here again, so let's figure out where is that. And after you lubricate the filter, just tighten it. So here you don't want to make it too tight, because too tight actually damages this part. So you just, after you turn that, you just make like a quarter. That's it. Don't make it too tight. Now we need to put the drain plug back. Now we put the drain plug back there. And then we get our wrench. now we need to look at here. Now we need to clean this first. See, now the level is here. New oil level. And put the ink cap back on. Give a little, yeah, see, it sounds different now. So give a little bit of
Gas.
gas, yeah.